Hi guys, so this is the first time that I will be trying this one. I don't know how you call about this. I don't know if it's vlogging or something like podcast. Just I want to share and I want to try this for the very first time. So sana ma-support nyo or magustuhan nyo. So napag-isipan ko na syempre everyone has this experience. Kaya gusto ko siyang gawa ng something na mapapag-usapan sa video na 'to. So, let's talk about having a broken heart. So, dealing with a broken heart can be an immensely experience. So, very challenging. So, wala namang kahit sino sa atin ang nakakalampas na hindi masaktan. So, it's essential, 'pag dumating man ang araw na yon, it's essential to allow yourself to grieve and feel the emotions that come with it. Accept the pain and understand that healing takes time. So, always remember that mga beshi ha. So, healing takes time. So, lahat naman ng pain, kahit ano, kahit maliit na sugat, may time, may exact time hanggang sa gumaling yan. So, just like broken heart, it takes time. So, isa sa makakatulong is surround yourself with your supportive friends and family who can offer you comfort and a listening ear. Importante yon. Minsan kasi hindi naman natin na kailangan ng yung pagsasabihan tayo ng mayat maya kasi ganito, kasi ganyan. Yung may makikinig lang sa atin is a very, very big help na maka-recover kahit papaano. And then engage yourself in activities that can bring you joy and self-fulfillment. Very important yan. So whether it's pursuing a hobby, exercising, or exploring new interests. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial. So practice self-care, self-compassion, reflect on the lessons learned from the relationship, and embrace the opportunity for personal growth. Eventually, with time and patience, the pain will ease and you'll emerge stronger, ready to embrace new beginnings. So, Beshi, kung nasa ganitong point ka man ng buhay mo ngayon, okay lang. Kung naiiyak ka, iiyak mo lang. Kung gusto mong sumigaw, sige, go Beshi, shout mo lang, shout out mo yan. Kasi minsan yun lang naman ang kailangan natin eh. Always remember na walang shortcut sa pag-heal, sa pag-move on. And ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, lagi kang magdasal. Sobrang subok ang prayer, mga beshi. Wala namang ibang makakaintindi sa atin kundi si Papa G lang. So, yun lang muna sa ngayon. Sana nagustuhan nyo.